Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself in a pinch trying to cancel a gel payment through the Cheese mobile app, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, making it easy and hassle-free. So grab your phone and let's get started. First things first, unlock your phone and open the Cheese mobile app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so with your username and password. Once you're in, look for the Pay and Transfer option on the bottom menu, tap on it and then select Gel from the list of options. Now you should see your Gel dashboard. Tap on Activity to view any recent payments. Look through your activity for any payments that show as pending. These are the payments that haven't been accepted by the recipient yet, and there's a chance you can stop these from going through. If you see a cancel button next to the payment, congratulations, you're in luck. Tap on cancel and follow the prompts to stop the payment. And that's pretty much it while canceling a gel payment on the Cheese mobile app. If you have any questions or additional tips, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart with your finances.